Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how cement is made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The process begins deep within the earth, where raw materials are sourced. Massive machines break down limestone into manageable pieces. The raw stone is loaded for its journey to processing.
The clay layer is thinner here than projected.
Good, we can start excavation on schedule then.
Each element is carefully measured before moving forward. The blended raw mix is directed toward the first stage of processing. Controlled feeding ensures a steady and consistent flow. From the quarry, the journey continues toward the processing plant. The raw material moves steadily toward the heart of the facility.
At intake, the flow is controlled for consistent processing.
Precision handling ensures uniform distribution at every step. Enclosed systems protect the material as it moves deeper into the plant. Elevation systems carry the material to higher processing levels. The flow is guided toward temporary storage before processing. Raw materials are stored and blended for consistency. Layered stacking prepares the material for the next stage of refinement. The facility stands ready to transform raw material into cement. Inside, the process becomes more controlled and precise.
Every section is connected through a carefully designed flow.
This is where raw material begins its transformation.
Crushing reduces the material to a manageable size. The flow continues without interruption through each stage. Screening ensures only properly sized material moves forward. Screening ensures only properly sized material moves forward.
The system continuously refines material for uniform processing. Airborne dust is removed to maintain clean and controlled conditions.
Unwanted metal is removed to protect downstream equipment.
Cleaning improves the purity of the raw mix.
Moisture is controlled before further processing. Drying prepares the material for accurate blending. Sorting ensures consistency across every batch. The components are brought together in precise proportions. Inside the silo, the raw mix is stabilized for uniform processing. Grinding reduces the mix into a fine, workable form. Precision grinding ensures uniform particle size. Only the finest particles move forward in the process.
Airflow systems transport material efficiently across the plant. Storage silos maintain consistency before the next stage.
Continuous mixing preserves balance across the batch.
The material now moves toward thermal preparation. Heat begins transforming the raw mix at extreme temperatures. Each stage prepares the material for its final transformation.
The kiln is where the core chemical transformation occurs. Extreme heat reshapes the material at a molecular level. The transformed material exits the kiln at extreme temperatures. Rapid cooling stabilizes the final structure of the material.
The process continues as clinker moves toward final refinement.
Advanced systems monitor every stage in real time. Operators fine-tune the process for optimal performance.
Flow control systems ensure consistency across the process.
Sensors provide continuous feedback from every stage. Automated sampling supports precise quality control. Centralized monitoring keeps the entire process synchronized. Intelligent routing adapts the process in real time.
Every system works together to maintain continuous production.
Clinker is combined with gypsum for final grinding. Grinding transforms the material into fine cement powder. Precision grinding ensures consistent particle size. Only the finest particles are selected for final product. Closed systems transport cement without loss.
Storage ensures availability for packaging and dispatch.
Controlled airflow keeps the material ready for use. The final product moves toward packaging and distribution. Samples are collected continuously for testing. Inside the lab, precision testing begins immediately. Particle size determines the quality and performance.
Chemical balance is verified at every stage.
Strength testing ensures durability in real-world use. Controlled curing reveals the material's true strength. Only approved material moves forward to packaging.
Approved batches are cleared for final delivery.
The finished cement enters high-speed packaging lines. Each unit is sealed and marked for distribution.
Automated systems prepare products for safe handling.
Finished products are stored before final dispatch.
Orders are prepared and loaded for delivery.
The finished product begins its journey to construction sites.
And this is how modern factories produce cement from start to finish.
The process continues every day, powering the world around us.